All right, well, thank you for checking out another demo of the Pure Service Orchestrator. This time we're going to show a little bit on FlashBlade. You can see here we already have the Pure Service Orchestrator installed via Helm, and we have no persistent volume claims currently on this cluster. And we're just going to install an application called Jupyter Hub that allows you to do machine learning through like a web interface. It's built around Python. There's other ways you can use it, but we're just going to deploy a quick version with some changes that I made so that it will use the Pure storage class and the FlashBlade. So finished installing. Now we'll just make sure all of the pods have started up. Good there. Look at the PVCs. There's actually a directory for the database that's created. It's very small. That kind of houses, since this is a multi-tenant user type of application, it keeps logins and things like that. You can see that that's already created on the Flash array. And now what we're going to do is log in. So we got to get the port. So that proxy public, we want to say, okay, we want to be able to go to that port, put it in our browser. Always use signed certificates, don't be like me. And let's log in. Second thought, let's log in as a cooler sounding user. Someone sounds smart. It would be doing something like coding. Okay, sign in. Start my server. What this is doing is telling Kubernetes now start a new container, new pod, using the default image that we gave it, which was a TensorFlow based image, and assign it to this user. So now we have a Jupyter-cause. We're going to upload some code that we already wrote. And this is just a Python notebook that basically allows you to download handwritten, basically a gallery of handwritten images or images of handwritten digits, and do machine learning on it. So basically we're going to teach it how to recognize the different handwriting digits so it can read handwriting. And while that's running, you can kind of see it creating some graphs, doing some initial tests and training. We'll scroll down, and as we go through the initial learning here, it might take a couple minutes, so let's look at a couple things while that's going on. Resize some windows, make that easy for everyone to see. It shouldn't take too long. You can see, okay, now I have a cause persistent volume created, and we'll log into our FlashBlade. Storage, and we'll see that it created a NFS file system for that user. You can see there's a little bit of data written there, not a ton. Compression ratio. Yes, I think by now everything's finished. You could see kind of some output, some of the final graphs. See it matched less. The fewest number was number 5s. So the whole, the results aren't too bad. You can see here that it confuses the 9 and the 4 a lot, and the 7 and the 9 gets confused. Those are the incorrect answers that are in the blue area, and the right hits are obviously matching a 1 to a 1 was the easiest for it. And a 2 to a 7, that's common. And so those are hard to see. So you can kind of look at the results there. Thank you again for checking out this demo of the Pure Service Orchestrator. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to check out our website, purestorage.com, or my blog, blog.2vcps.io. Thank you.